Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to fix and slim your back while improving your posture in just 10 minutes. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around and let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about why back health and posture are so important. A strong back not only makes you look better, but it also reduces pain and prevents injuries. Good posture can boost your confidence and make you feel more powerful. So it's a win-win. Alright, let's start with our first exercise. Cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours, hands directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, arch your back and lift your head and tailbone up. Exhale, round your back and tuck your chin to your chest. Do this for 1 minute to really warm up your spine. Next, we have the Superman. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended out in front of you. Lift your arms, chest and legs off the ground as high as you can. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Repeat for 1 minute. This move strengthens your lower back and glutes. Now let's move on to reverse snow angels. Stay lying face down, but this time, extend your arms out to the sides. Lift your arms and chest slightly off the ground and then bring your hands together above your head, like you're making a snow angel. Return to start and repeat for 1 minute. This exercise targets your upper back and shoulders. We're halfway through. Next up, bent over rows. Grab a pair of dumbbells or water bottles. Stand with feet hip-width apart, bend at your hips, and keep your back flat. Pull the weights up towards your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower them back down and repeat for 1 minute. This move is great for building overall back strength. Now, let's work on our posture with wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall, feet a few inches away from it. Press your lower back against the wall and raise your arms to form a W shape. Slowly extend your arms up to form a Y shape, keeping your arms and back in contact with the wall. Lower back to W and repeat for 1 minute. This exercise is fantastic for opening up your chest and improving your posture. Finally, let's finish off with a back stretch. Lie on your back and pull your knees to your chest. Hold for 1 minute and breathe deeply. This stretch helps to release any tension in your lower back. And there you have it, just 10 minutes a day, and you'll be on your way to a stronger, slimmer back and perfect posture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health and fitness tips. See you next time.